guys, and welcome back. So today I have a treat for you guys. Guess what we're making? Duh, it's already right there. We're making egg rolls today, but not just any egg rolls. Italian beef egg rolls. So let's jump right into the cooking. So I went ahead already and chopped up everything that I needed for this recipe, and I laid everything out for you. It doesn't look so nice and pretty, I know, right? Okay, so let's get into the stuff that we're going to be putting into our egg rolls today. So I'm going to start with what's closer to me. So I have my Orlando hot peppers. These are a good brand. I've searched for so many hot peppers that I feel like tastes good, and these are the best ones. I have them in hot and mild. So this is the hot one and this is the mild one, because it's a family affair, so I have to make sure that everybody can eat. We have our chopped up jalapeno peppers. Yes, I know you're thinking like, she already got peppers, why she putting more peppers? That's for me. I like my food a little spicy. We have our egg already beat and ready to be used. We have our Italian beef meat. We have our onions, chopped raw onions, and we have our American cheese, which I don't eat that. That's my husband, so he has 2 slices of cheese here. He's getting 2 egg rolls. And then mozzarella cheese for me. I love when I order my Italian beef, I get it dipped with mozzarella cheese and hot peppers, and I get diced onions put on it as well. So why wouldn't I make an egg roll the same way as I order my Italian beef? And then we have our magic powder, our flour. So let's get into our tutorial. And I almost forgot our egg rolls. My apologies. Duh. Our egg rolls. The egg roll paper, the main ingredient. Now, let's get into our tutorial. All right, so our first step is getting our egg rolls out of our package. These are plant-based egg rolls. I got these from Walmart. They were like $2.36. So we are using them today, and this is how they look. They come already flattened out, and it has the powder and stuff on it already. But obviously we are going to use more flour. The powder is the flour, okay? So first thing that I am going to do is I'm going to get my first one out. And what I basically am going to do is I am going to get my meat. Everything that I need to put in is actually surrounding me, so I don't have to pull everything into the camera. So I am going to make the ones with the American cheese first, okay? Before we add our cheese to our egg roll paper, I want to dip our egg roll in our egg. This is going to help me get this nice and ready to wrap. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to use an extra piece of egg roll paper, because I want this to be secured. So when we wrap it, it won't break, okay? So I'm going to double this up. And then what we're going to do is we are going to double this up. And what we're going to do is we're going to add our meat. So I'm going to take some Italian beef meat. After I put my cheese here, I'm going to put the cheese right there. We're going to take some Italian beef meat, stuff it in there, put a little bit more. That should be enough. And then we're going to do some peppers as well. We're going to put these peppers in here, and then we're going to roll it up, okay? So you don't want to put that much in your egg roll, because that will definitely play a role in how it wraps, okay? So we are going to tuck this here, and we're basically just rolling this egg roll. We're gonna add that piece in there like that, and we're gonna tuck this one in as well. Tuck, tuck, I'm going to turn this around because I am left-handed. Sorry. So we're going to unravel this one more time and do it over, okay? So I have my ingredients inside my egg roll. So I am going to cuff this in here like this. I'm going to grab this first end, seal that in because this egg is making this paper very, very pliable. And we got that, as you can see. And then I'm going to open this back up because you want these ends to be tucked very, very tightly. So when you start wrapping and fry it, it will not come apart. So we are rolling, we are rolling, we are rolling, and we are done. Okay? Boom. So here is our first egg roll, as you guys can see. Our first Italian beef egg roll, okay? Okay, so now that we have our egg roll all rolled up and wrapped, we are going to dip this in some flour. We're going to dip it in some flour. Boom. Just like that. And then we're going to put it back in the egg, okay? We're going to put it in the egg, and we're going to let that sit. We're going to let it sit. And then we're going to sit it on our plate here until it's time to put it in the grease. So now I am about to wash my hands, speed this video up for you so we can get to the end result, okay? So watch a master at work. As you guys can see, we have our first 5 egg rolls. We are going to put them in the deep fryer and let them cook for a little bit so the breading can get hard. And then after that, they'll be ready to eat. Say hello to my deep fryer, baby. No, but seriously. So this is where the magic happens. So as you guys can see, I am spreading these out. Just safe precaution, just in case if they open up. I don't want anything sticking together. So we are spreading them out. And all we're going to do is let that do what it do for a little bit. Let the bread get a little hard, lift them up, shake them. As you guys can see, they're doing what they're doing. And I'm gonna leave this in here for probably about 2 to 5 minutes. I'll be back. Okay, so we have our first batch of egg rolls. So we still have some more rolling to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish making the rest, and we'll be back with the ending result.
Hey, you guys, if you like what you're seeing, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Enjoy the rest of the content. How delicious do they look? Here you go, guys. Our Italian beef egg rolls, fresh out of the grease, cooled off and cut so you guys can see the inside of it. Pair with a side of Italian beef juice for dipping. Yes, yes, yes. Make sure you tap into this recipe.
Hot after grease. What it tastes like. Good. I tried to catch it when the cheese was pooling out, but he dipping in that Italian beef juice. So make sure y'all follow, like, share, and subscribe to these recipes, these hidden gems that I'm throwing out to you. See, you doing too much. Yeah. Cheese pour. What poo-poo say? Cheese pour decline. These kids gonna love me one day, or they gonna miss my cooking. Until next time.